Wow, so I decided to take my carpet out because I seen some YouTube video and he did it, and I don't know, I just was curious about my own, but it's not too bad. I mean, it's pretty good compared to other ones I've seen from other YouTubers, but I still got that side to go. I have to fix these before they get worse. But yeah. Well, here's the other side. Got some monies, ciggies, maybe some weed. No weed. That bolt stripped on me. That sucked. Or it was. I felt it. I don't got the right tool, so I stopped. Got a whole bunch of cigarette ash. Well, alright. Clean up time. So I'm cleaning the back piece and forgot to get a before and after. Damn it. I'm such a horrible YouTuber. But I just sprayed some carpet cleaner and I'm gonna vacuum it with the shop vac and see how it turns out. Okay, it's already nighttime. I'm tired. That looks pretty good to me. Clean those. Clean the center console. The side door panels. Leaving something over there to dry. I glued something. And I'll probably clean the carpet tomorrow. And it's all sunny, so it could dry. There's the other one. Got the sound dampener. Yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah. So there's a little bit of rust spots. I hit it with that rust killing primer stuff. I'll probably need to hit that one again. This is like on top of this goo. Not too bad. Let's go take a look at the other side. I forgot why I did all this in the first place, but cleaned it up pretty good. Now I'm gonna start working on the centerpiece, putting it all back together. But bam! Did it. It was a bit of pain in the butt considering how brittle this is. I hear it cracking and crumbling, but I was pretty careful enough not to cause any serious harm. Alright, cleanup time. If you're curious what the back looks like, those two for the, or those four for the glove box thingamajig. Ooh-wee, dirty, dirty, dirty. Much better. Hell yeah. It's all clean now. I'm pretty satisfied. Check this out. It's the Fiero's speakers from the dash. It got a little suntan. That's not a shadow. But what I really like, bam, Pontiac. It says Pontiac on it. Delco GM. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. Oui. Okay, cool. I clean everything. Center console, the dash, all underneath. Sorry for the lighting. It's early in the morning. It's bright. That really came out nice. That back piece, whatever. I really like that. Smells nice and clean in here. I'm gonna look for aftermarket seats, and I'm gonna do something about that. I had those little gizmos, but I don't know, I wasn't liking them, but we'll see. All right, that's that.